Good morning and welcome back to Wendy's Wellness Clinic. We have with us Onessa here today, and we've got a real treat because Onessa is actually going to be showcasing one of your favourite oils. In fact, I think it was the first oil.
It is
that correct that
yes.
you used with doTERRA, and that's what got you hooked?
This is the oil of wild orange. It was the first oil I ever smelt, and as soon as I did smell it, it was sort of like, yes, this is what I want.
Brilliant. Well, do you want to then tell everybody what it's used for and how they can use it and what its purpose is?
Yes.
Cool.
Wild orange is known as the oil of abundance. So if you're looking to increase your well feelings and happiness and joy and your financial flow, wild orange is the oil to go to. But it's also very uplifting if you're in depression. It can be used in many different ways, but specifically if you're suffering from intestinal type of difficulties too, stomach cramps, heartburn, that sort of thing.
Acid reflux.
Acid reflux,
yes,
it's
indeed.
another good one.
Yes, it is.
Also,
the wild orange.
also for muscle aches and pains,
yes.
It's very effective for calming that down. And it's my favorite also for using in the kitchen for cleaning. You can clean countertops, add a little bit to your spray bottle and spray with this, and it kills pathogens.
It does, doesn't it? It's got quite a large antibacterial property, this one, doesn't it?
Exactly.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So how are we able to
take
wild orange?
You can put wild orange in the diffuser so that you're taking it in aromatically.
Okay. Which is brilliant for infants with colic.
Oh yes, yes.
So if you've got a colicky infant, then put a couple of drops of wild orange into the diffuser, and that would really make a big difference.
Absolutely, it would. Also, you can use it topically, that is directly onto the body. However, it is what they call photosensitive, so it's not an oil to be wearing on your skin where it would be exposed to direct sunlight. And they say a good safety time lapse after you've applied it is 24 hours. But you can put it in areas under your clothing, for instance, or on the bottoms of your feet, if you're wanting to wear this.
And that's going to be diluted in the fractionated coconut oil?
Doesn't have to be. It can be applied neat, which means it doesn't need to be diluted. And the last way is that you can take it internally. You can put it in, if you're suffering from some gastrointestinal type of discomfort, you can put a couple of drops in some warm water and take that. And even in cold water in the summer, it adds a delightful flavour.
It is, it's very refreshing.
Yes, so you can take more water in as well.
Okay, so quite a versatile oil.
I love it.
Yes, I know you do. Well, hopefully you've learned a little bit about wild orange. If you like this video, click the like button, and of course we'd love you to subscribe to the channel. And of course, before using any oils, if any concerns, please check with your healthcare professional prior.
Exactly, well done.
Thank you.